Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing Eid Mehndi design Gol Tikki 2025 ideas that are simple, traditional, and perfect for Eid celebrations. Gol Tikki designs are timeless and always look graceful on hands. Let's get started. Segment 1. Classic Gol Tikki Mehndi. Let's start with a classic round Tikki Mehndi design featuring a bold circular center with delicate dots and fine strokes for an elegant traditional look. Segment 2. Floral Gol Tikki Mehndi. For a soft and feminine touch, try this floral Gol Tikki Mehndi design with petal-like patterns and leafy details around the circular center. Segment 3. Arabic-style Gol Tikki. If you love bold and stylish designs, this Arabic-style Gol Tikki Mehndi features thicker strokes, paisley details, and shaded elements for a more dramatic look. Segment 4. Gol Tikki with Chandan Star. For a festive Eid vibe, this Gol Tikki Mehndi with a crescent moon and tiny stars adds a beautiful celestial charm to your hands. Segment 5. Finger detailing with Gol Tikki. To enhance the beauty of your Gol Tikki Mehndi, adding tiny dots, vines, and minimal detailing on fingers gives a complete and stylish look. Which Eid Mehndi design Gol Tikki 2025 was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.